Minimalist Kitchen with Smart Appliances 2025, sleek, high-tech and functional kitchen design ideas. Welcome to the future of kitchen design. In this video, we present a stunning collection of minimalist kitchens with smart appliances for 2025, where modern aesthetics meet advanced technology. Experience the harmony of sleek, clutter-free spaces and intelligent features that elevate everyday cooking and living. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply gathering ideas for your dream kitchen, this video is packed with cutting-edge trends, space-saving solutions, and tech-forward appliances designed for ultimate efficiency and style. What you'll discover: the latest 2025 minimalist kitchen trends. Seamless smart appliance integration. Clean lines and modern cabinetry with hidden handles. Voice-controlled ovens, touchless faucets, and smart refrigerators. Functional layouts with open shelving and concealed storage. Neutral color palettes with high contrast accents. Space-maximizing islands and multi-use countertops. Lighting automation for mood and functionality. Kitchen design highlights. Wi-Fi-enabled ovens and fridges with remote control features. Smart stovetops with sensor-based temperature control. Minimalist cabinetry with push-to-open doors. Under-cabinet lighting with motion sensors. Quartz and solid surface countertops with clean edges. Integrated coffee stations and hidden charging drawers. Matte finishes in monochromatic tones for a sleek look. Energy-efficient appliances designed for sustainability. Who is this for? Homeowners planning a kitchen remodel in 2025. Fans of modern minimalist interiors. Smart home enthusiasts. Architects and interior designers seeking futuristic ideas. Anyone who loves both design and functionality. Why choose a minimalist smart kitchen in 2025? Optimizes daily routines with smart tech integration. Creates a clutter-free and organized environment. Supports eco-conscious and energy-saving living. Delivers a streamlined aesthetic with modern luxury. Offers ultimate convenience and comfort in cooking and cleaning. Share with us. Which smart feature would you love most in your minimalist kitchen? Voice-controlled appliances, smart lighting, or sleek hidden storage? Tell us in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts and kitchen design dreams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you're passionate about modern living and future-ready homes. More inspiring kitchen ideas are coming your way.